Welcome back, students. Now we are going to read these lines and I am going to illustrate also. Try to read these lines with me. Okay. I may load and unload again and again till I fill the whole shed, and what have I then? Next to nothing for weight, and since they grew duller from contact with earth, next to nothing for color. Next to nothing for use, but a crop is a crop, and who's to say where the harvest shall stop? Okay, so here in our fourth stranger, the gatherer telling us that he is keep loading them and unloading the leaves again and again. Continuously, he is doing this work. He is doing this work again and again, and all shed is full of leaves there. All over their leaves are spreaded. So in here, this is a scene. This is a kind of scene here where leaves gatherer is not seems actually so satisfied. He is not seems so happy. He is like complaining for this. He tried to express his hard work, and by saying this, here I may load and unload again and again. He is trying to show his hard work that he did all the long day. But in the last of the day, in the end of all this, again he can see leaves all over the area, all over the shed. Next to nothing for weight, and since they grew duller from contact with earth, next to nothing for color. You can see this is a different kind of spelling here, COLOR, and also a star there. This is kind of indication. You can collect the knowledge from here. All the American spellings of color is COLOUR. Okay, you may write like this also, like this also. So here he is telling about his work. What work? The gathering the leaves. After there is nothing to say, there is nothing but only leaves over there. And what do I gain? He just always thought, what do I gain? He is working for a weightless, a colorless thing. Why? Because now leaves grew dull. Dull meaning of dull, grew very without any color, very sluggish in color, yellow. Okay, they are no more green. So because now leaves grew dull, yellow, and they are not very green and for no use, then they collect, they are all contact, they are, this is the thing, duller from contact with earth. So this is means they contact to earth, means when they grow older, they all dropped on earth because they all are yellow, no use of these leaves, and all these useless kind of things he is collecting all over the long day, morning to evening, and he is not very much happy also. Here he is not happy also. And in the last, next to nothing for use, but a crop is a crop, and who's to say where the harvest shall stop? Now he is telling again that this is a useless process. There is no use of these work, this kind of work. What work? This is gathering, yes, the leaves, but still I have to do this. He always just thought, after this work I have to do this work because crop is a crop. Crop is crop. Here you can see this line, crop is crop, means this is a continuous process, and it will be continue forever, because this is a cycle of nature. After the shedding leaf, there will be again new green leaves will come to the tree. Here the gatherer wishes that all falling of dry leaves must be stopped, but he know that fact also, that he this is only a dream, and it could not be stopped. This is something that has to be done. So children, in this poem, poet is telling how a leaves gatherer feels, and how is the season connected to the person who collect the dry leaves, and he continues doing his work without any fruitful result getting after finishing the whole hard work. So this is all about the poem Gathering Leaves. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Uh, Now you have to write this full whole poem, because this is not a learn by heart, this is detailed poem. Okay, you have to write from first stanza to last stanza in your fair notebook, and also the word meaning, and learn the spelling also. Okay, and also meaning you have to learn from this poem. Okay, thank you.